Hi guys and welcome to my video. And in this video I'm going to analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty, and we'll also decide what trades to take, and also we'll look at few stocks. So let's begin. So this is the Bank Nifty chart, and on the daily time frame, as we can see, Bank Nifty is in a very tight range. Bank Nifty is still in a consolidation mode. On this Thursday, we did see some fall in Bank Nifty, but on a longer time frame, it is still in a consolidation phase. So we'll just check out the range. So Bank Nifty is inside this 2000 point range, 34,000 to 36,000, and it is not giving any big moves. It is just consolidating. And I'll also add one indicator, 20 EMA. And 20 EMA is flat. So Bank Nifty is not making big moves on any side. It has to break this range to make a big move on either of the side. Otherwise, we are not going to see a big trending move. There could be few trending days on intraday basis, but on a positional basis, we'll only see a trending move if we break this range. So we'll just go to a shorter time frame. And on the 1 hour chart, we can see a good support at 34,400 level. And a good resistance at 35,800 level. So Bank Nifty is just consolidating in this range. Of course, with some intraday volatility. It's not a smooth ride. Intraday volatility will always be there, even though it looks very calm on the daily chart. So we'll just see what trades we can take in Bank Nifty. We'll just maintain a range bound view. So we'll just sell 36,000 call, which is trading at 55 rupees, and a 34,200 put, which is trading at 53 rupees. I think they both should go to zero. But if any side breaks inside this range, either this or this side breaks, you will have to square off the side which is in profit and roll it down or up. It depends on which side Bank Nifty breaks. So that adjustment is what you can make. Other than that, this trade should work out, and also do it with strict 2% stop loss of your capital. So we'll see a few stocks in Bank Nifty. HDFC Bank is flat. It is not giving any move. It is consolidating, of course, with a bullish bias. ICICI Bank is in a consolidation mode. It's very clear. We have to wait for breakout of either of this side. It could be on the upside as the bias is bullish. SBI Bank is also flat, although it is consolidating near the highs. So we'll maintain a bullish bias. Axis Bank is completely range bound. IndusInd Bank is also consolidating, so all the banks are consolidating with slightly bullish bias, but not very bullish. So that should be it for Bank Nifty. You can take these trades which I told you, and that should work out well. Now we'll look at Nifty. So this is the Nifty chart. It is in a consolidation mode. Nifty is in a very tight range. So the range is 15,950, and the support lies at around 15,450. So this is a very small range. I'll just add 20 EMA. What we can see in Nifty is that the 20 EMA is slightly sloping upwards. When we saw Bank Nifty, the 20 EMA was flat, but in Nifty, the 20 EMA is upwards, so we can maintain a bullish bias in Nifty. and we just see a smaller time frame, the 1 hour chart, and here we can clearly see there lies a good support at 15,650 level. So our weekly range should be 15,650 to 15,920. That should work out to be great, but it can also break any of these sides. We have to be ready for that. It can break either of these sides, and we have to be prepared for that to adjust. So we'll just look at what we can trade. So we can sell a 16,000 call, which is a very good resistance in Nifty, and a 15,400 put, which is a good support. So basically we are taking a neutral view, of course with a 2% stop loss of your capital, and be ready to adjust if it breaks either of these sides. Other than that, this trade should work out well, and we'll just look at a few stocks in Nifty. So this is the heavyweight of Nifty, Reliance, and Reliance is stuck inside a range. It is basically consolidating. So this is the range of Reliance. HDFC Bank, we just now saw, it's flat. Tata Consultancy is giving up its gains. Although I expected Tata Consultancy to hit all-time highs, but it was lacking momentum. It looks exhausted, so it's likely to consolidate more. Infosys is bullish. It is consolidating, but with a bullish bias, of course. HUL is consolidating, but with a bullish bias. ICICI Bank we just saw. HDFC looks completely flat. And if we see India VIX, it is constantly going down. The premiums have fallen too much. So we are currently in a low VIX environment and we have to adapt to it. The spikes are very common in low VIX. The options can go 4-5 times, but we have no choice. We have to adapt to it. So that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. And don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.